Hello fam, today we have an exciting budget-friendly device to talk about. That's the Itel A70. This budget-friendly device is making waves with its impressive features, and in this video we'll deep dive into its specifications, performance, camera capabilities, and everything you need to know to make an informed decision. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, let's talk about the design and the build of the Itel A70. This device boasts of a sleek and minimalist design which surprisingly feels sturdy, and it's available in 4 attractive colors: the brilliant gold, stylish black, field green, and the azure blue. The back panel features a textured finish for added grip, all while minimizing those pexy fingerprint smudges. Turning our attention to the display, the Itel A70 features a spacious 6.6 inches display with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels. While it's not the best out there, it still offers a vivid and comfortable viewing experience, making it great for media consumption and everyday use. Under the hood, this device is equipped with 4GB worth of RAM and 128GB worth of internal storage. It's powered by the octa-core T603 processor, ensuring smooth and efficient performance for everyday tasks and multitasking. Running on Android 13 Go edition, the A70 is optimized for budget devices, providing a clean and efficient user experience. Now let's talk about what almost everyone loves on a phone, which is the camera. On the rear, you would actually find a 13 megapixel super HDR camera that can shoot 1080p at 30 frames per second. This camera setup delivers impressive photo and video quality. And on the front, we have an 8 megapixels camera, perfect for capturing your moments and also video calls. And please note that this camera will actually perform at its best when using ample lighting. Powering this device is a robust 5000 milliamps battery, which is quite generous, but it's actually a new norm for new budget devices these days. It supports Type-C charging, ensuring extensive usage on a single charge. This means you wouldn't constantly worry about running out of battery during the day. In terms of connectivity, the Itel A70 supports 4G connectivity, ensuring fast and reliable data speed. And as for the price, the Itel A70 offers excellent value for money. The price in Nigeria starts at 88,000 naira or $88 for the 4GB variant, 128GB internal storage, making it an attractive choice for budget-conscious customers. In summary, the Itel A70 is a fantastic choice for budget-conscious customers. Its large display, robust 5000 milliamps battery, 4G connectivity, and even impressive camera setup and also a fingerprint. This device is a great value for money if you ask me, and it sets a new standard for affordability and performance in the Nigerian smartphone market. The Itel A70 is definitely worth considering. Let me know what you think about the Itel A70. Would you be buying one for yourself or for someone? Let me know that in the comment section. And also let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. Thank you very much. Don't forget to stay tech savvy, and I'll see you when you see me. Peace.